Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are standing in front of Kondaa in Walibi Belgium, a mega coaster built by Intamin.
Oh.
Yeah, 2021 it opened this one. So yeah, look at the theming. The theming is really beautiful, no?
Yeah, it's real nice. It's complete.
Yeah.
The music, everything, the scenario.
Yeah, it's looking really nice. So yeah, we're gonna do the coaster right now because I want to do this coaster. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I see
Follow
you.
us, right?
Okay.
See you later.
See you later. Bye bye. We just had a ride on Kondaa.
Yeah.
What do you like about Kondaa?
Extreme.
Extreme.
It's a long coaster.
Yes.
Have a lot of airtime. I think 2 or 3 times really hard airtime. So.
Yeah, you're just flying out of the seat, right?
Yes, I feel my up in the seat and my stomach, my belly is like coming to my throat and later go down, go up. No, it's really nice. I like it. I can do again and again and again.
Yeah, maybe later we can do it again, huh?
Surely, yeah.
Yeah, it's got a lot of airtime. The first drop is amazing, especially when you sit in front. It's really amazing, the first drop.
It's powerful, eh?
Yeah, it's really powerful.
It's powerful.
Yeah. So yeah, I enjoy this roller coaster. I just love this roller coaster. This is my favorite coaster of the park here.
Yeah, for me, okay. Yeah. agree with that. I agree with you. Yeah.
So if you did Kondaa already, just just put your comments below. Just put your
and the finger up.
Yeah, and the finger up. Just tell us what you think about Kondaa.
Alsjeblieft.
Okay. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye.